Your business thrives on quality, efficiency, and reliability. The SureColor G6070 was designed to take your production to the next level. This purpose-built system gives you high-quality prints, low operating costs, and helps increase your productivity. With a 35-inch print width, you can increase production and maximize material usage by nesting multiple designs. Expand your offerings to include hats, tote bags, backpacks, and shoes, all from a single printer. The SureColor G6070 works with your existing shakers and curing systems, making integration effortless. Lower your operating costs with efficient ink usage, a minimal maintenance requirement, and live printer tracking, so you spend less time fixing issues and more time printing orders. The SureColor G6070 comes with lifetime phone support and a 1-year limited warranty, including parts and labor. EPSON has been at the forefront of printing technology for decades. We build complete, purpose-driven solutions designed to help businesses like yours succeed. With the SureColor G6070, you're investing in a system that's built for performance, reliability, and long-term success. To learn more, schedule your demo, and get started.